Okay, so now we're moving on to our supermarket chain of the year, and I'd like to invite up from CBRE, Magdalena Franchak, to hand this award out. Magda, please come join us.
And we have 3 nominees in this category, and these are Carrefour, Intermarché, Piotr and Paweł.
So thank you for helping us hand out this award.
My pleasure.
And supporting the event.
And the winner is Carrefour.
But here we have the winner on the stage, Carrefour.
Congratulations. Yep. So welcome, congratulations. Please say a few words.
Hello, good evening. Thank you very much, jury members. Thank you very much, developers that are trusting in us in order to open hypermarket and supermarket in the country. And thank you very much for all the Carrefour team being here today, because they are doing a great job over the year, and we hope to do a very good job still in 2018. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.
Congratulations. Come join us for a photo.